Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. Driver ran a red light not knowing that police is right behind him. Driver wasn't paying attention while pulling out. Luckily, nobody got hurt. Driver said that it was only minor damage and he didn't want to pursue the lady for it. Cyclists get yelled at after passing by. He decided to turn around to see what it's all about.
Actually, sir, cyclists can treat stop signs as a yield sign in Oregon.
It's a stop.
Do you want me to show you the statute?
Oh, go ahead. Show me the statute.
Okay.
Yeah, right on your phone. Show me.
Show you the statute, sir.
Statute. You're on a piece of bike with a stupid horn.
Why do I care about your opinion, sir? Wait, you wanted to see the statute, right? Are you a man of your word, or are you just gonna walk away?
You know,
Hang on.
man of my word. All right, if I f***ed up, either way, you're a stupid piece of shit. I don't give a f***.
Must have had a bad day then.
Why would I have a bad day? Because you're one of those assholes that gets to run stop signs because you think you're better than the vehicles, and then you guys want...
It actually improves congestion, sir.
Bicycles, you have to we as drivers, right? We have to yield to bicycles and correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do, right?
Yeah.
So how come you don't have to stop at a stop sign when
if there are cars approaching, then I have to stop. It's in the law.
So if cars are approaching, you have to stop.
Yeah, then I have to stop. But if there's no cars around, I can just roll
section
through.
And you literally just
There
ran
was
the
no
section.
cars around, sir. That car was turning right. He had his right blinker on. So you need to calm down, sir.
No, off, dude.
Okay, you want to see the law? It's right here. Oh, so you're not a man of your word?
You eat a piece of shit. I'm sure your mom's happy with her having a gay son.
Oh, so you're homophobic now. And you work for R.A. Gray, right? Sir, your employer's really gonna like this video. So your employer is gonna like seeing this video, right?
You're impeding traffic right
Of you
now.
being homophobic? There is no cars.
You're impeding traffic, so you should probably get... Actually, technically, you're not allowed to pull into here because it's a private parking lot.
Well, are you the owner of the lot, or?
Actually, no, I'm a member here, so it's actually a private parking lot. So
yeah, but you're not the owner, sir. You can call the owner and have them come talk to me, but you can't do
Actually, I will. Maybe let my phone on me. I'm actually a member here at the hall, and so actually we need to proceed out of here.
So wait, you're a member of City Hall?
This isn't City Hall, you dumb.
Well, what hall is it?
It's Legion Hall.
Oh, Legion Hall? So I should submit the video of you being homophobic to them, right? They're gonna like that?
That's fine with it.
That's cool with them? They're cool with homophobic members and stuff? Okay.
Yeah.
Driver uses cyclist lane to overtake stopped traffic. Hectic T-bone accident happened in Idaho after one of the driver pulls out without proper check. In short period of time, this driver recorded few incidents that happened to him.
What a freaking idiot. Are you retarded?
Careful. Yeah, he signaled.
And it didn't move.
And then turned it off and then moves.
Yep,
It's
he's
like
a winner.
unbelievable.
The winner.
It's too much of a safety concern.
Yep.
Whoa.
Shit. I don't know what that was.
I don't know.
That's how you rip the frickin'.
What? Don't do that. What are you doing?
Programs I was a beneficiary for. I was part of a lot of things. But then I just made a lot of mistakes. And 3 years later I went to college.
Oh shit! Bro, this person's tripping, bro.
That was you in the car?
No, the car pulled up in my lane, huh?
Oh shit.
hella wrong way.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.